Hi everyone, it's Dr. Judith Briles, and it's time for another tip, short, as I promised. And I've got to come back to organization. Too many times I work with clients who are struggling to find files on their laptop, their desktop, wherever they keep them. Please start, when it comes to a book, a master book folder. Within the folder, you'll have lots of other folders. You'll have files that you haven't placed in folders, but at least they're all in one place. Do yourself a favor, because the chaos that comes along when you're writing, you have files just swirling around you, all kinds of ideas. You may have a file folder for old stuff, for new stuff, for final stuff. You could have a folder for art, photos, illustrations that you want to use. You could have just a general miscellaneous, which I think is always a good idea. And you could have a folder for outtakes, things that you've withdrawn from your writing. You're thinking, this might work in something else I'm working on. So you don't do the delete and the toss, but you do have them available to you at a later time. What you want to do is stop the book chaos in organization and in your writing as you're going along. So you always have them available to you. You know where they are in one spot, and then you can dive into it as you go along. It's a short tip. It's one that most authors don't use, and I want to encourage you to. This is Judith Briles, and hey, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter accounts at MyBookShepherd, and listen to our podcast every week. Something new. Over 600 episodes to choose from. I'll see you next time. Happy writing.